Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best stock broker in Hungary. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this website called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is one of the best investment brokers in Europe, I honestly believe in that, and I have some proof for it. When you're gonna scroll down below, you can simply click here on Hungary, and then registratio, go to top right, and the email, password, etc. yada yada. I made a comparison videos about the best investment brokers in Europe, and I honestly believe that for Hungary, DEGIRO is the best. So when you come here to DEGIRO review, they don't offer Forex and CFD, but they offer everything else. Even Broker Choices said that Broker Choices is one of the best reviews site, that DEGIRO is the best broker for stock trading and also best discount broker. You see it right here. And now about the fees. They don't have any accounting fee, any withdrawal fee, nothing. Only US stock that you can pay like normal fee, and ETFs are for free, but there is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month. So these are for free once a month. Or additional transaction for the same ETF product within the same month may also be free, as long as they are the same time of transaction, buy or sell, as the first one, and the trade is at least 1,000 euro. Then it's free too. And the US stocks are okay-ish, 0.50 per contract, the fee on options. And when you're going to scroll down below, you see right here, account fee, no, inactivity fee, no deposit fee, no withdrawal fee. There is not such thing as a fees, hidden fees that are going to get you. DEGIRO is like top notch, so you can actually open the account and test it out by yourself. And when you would come here, you can see right here that simply buying the stocks and everything is quite simple and easy. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comment. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.